Easy penny shopping here, and I've got a two-part video. We've got some big savings on some soda at Dollar General and some DIY penny projects with future visuals UPCs. And announcing the winner for the $20 in cash. Of course, you have to have your app. All you need is a phone number and email address to set up. You're going to pick up 3 12-packs of our Pepsi products. They're on sale, 3 for $13, and then there is a $2 coupon. Next, you're going to pick up an 18-pack of the Pepsi product. That's going to have a $2 digital coupon. Then you're going to pick up a bag of Frito chips. We chose the Cheese Puffs Cheetos. Those are regularly $4.95. Buying one of each of those products, we are going to get that other $3 coupon. Then we're going to go ahead and grab 4 of our Body Armor drinks. You could do the flavored or the bottles of water. Those are 1 liter. Those are on sale 3 for $3. And buy 3, get 1 free. And review our savings. Tremendous savings. You're going to save $12.85, just those 3 for $13 with the $2 coupon on the 12-pack. You're going to save $3.98 off that 18-pack. One is that $2 coupon, and then part of that $3 Frito-Lay PepsiCo coupon. Then $1.16 off of our Cheetos due to that $3 Frito-Lay PepsiCo coupon. Lastly, we're going to save basically half off. We're going to get 4 of those for $3 of the Body Armor. So, total savings, let's see, retail's $44.30. You're going to save $20.99 in coupons. So for this any day deal at Dollar General, your out of pocket is only $23.31. That's almost half off. Before our DIY and future pennies, our $20 cash winner is Debbie Yutzi 9942. Please comment on this video. I apologize for the delay. I was going to announce this on Friday, but we had to put down our sweet Sadie Mae, so it was a very rough day for us. You know, I've been talking about this DIY summer penny projects and such for a while. Finally, I've recorded some. Top of the morning to you, my penny fans. So, I wanted to share with you some of my all-time summer favorites because you know all of these are going to be future pennies at Dollar General. No, it's not going to be right away, but these items are going to be our lawn and garden. I don't know if I have green. I might have some green dot out here too. But basically, we've been working on my landscaping. We extended some of it, and then the raccoons got into it. But anyways, I wanted to show you some of those, but also a DIY that I did with some of our pennies because, well, I thought these were the cutest things ever. Other people didn't, so I just decided to make my own thing. So, here we go. We did the landscaping, and then the raccoons tore it all up. So I've got to fix all that. But anyways, so we've got, obviously, one of our big planters. Don't worry, I'm going to be planting it. And then we have another big planter. We had a rainstorm, and unfortunately, it took out my flowers in our teal planter. Then we have our window type planters, but I mounted them on the side of the porch, and my vine things are dying because it's been so freaking hot, and I haven't watered them like I should have. But anyways, and then some, you know, little decorations there. Again, these are all lawn and garden things that you guys want to be prepared for when they go, because not all of them have actual dots or labels, and they blend in really well. So we have more. I swear I could clean this every day and it would still be dirty. We have 2 of our rugs. So yeah, that one's a green dot rug. And then we have our big brown dot rugs. Those will be pennying sooner rather than later. More planters, decor, more planters, more planters. I mean, I would not have near this stuff if it wasn't for penny shopping. And yes, we rent a very old farmhouse, so don't judge me. Got it? I just saw there's a piece of trash there. And then we have my DIY. So, do you recognize those? So those are our white NCI bird cages, right? And I got a ton of them a couple years ago. They are still out there. They will penny with our lawn and garden. But they were white and nobody wanted them. So anyways, I ended up spray painting them. And then I put one of our NCI plants in them as well. So I left, oh, kitty cat, I left a tag on one so you could see. So this is part of our NCI lawn and garden with our pebble stones, right? So these plants could very well still be out there. They will penny with lawn and garden. They're part of NCI. And then our bird cages. And again, they are white. But the rest of this jazz, let's see. I cleaned my windows literally 3 days ago. It's already infested with spiders. Welcome to the country. But we have penny plant, penny lemon. That's another NCI lawn and garden that's not going to have a tag or, I'm sorry, a dot or anything on it. It's just going to have our pebble tags. This was also, that's a green dot. We have our lemon wreath as well. Oh gosh. And then I have all of these wind chimes that I have to go through, and our fabric. I've got to use that on the rest of the landscaping, but we're getting ready to leave on vacation. I don't have time. So, oh, and that's one of our, is that our purple dot rug? I don't know. I love pennies because I change out my stuff all the time. It's tremendous. Absolutely tremendous. All right. So there's basically, like I said, I just wanted to show you my DIY bird cage fake plant because I can't keep ferns alive for anything. So these are actually really great because they look really good from the road, and yet I don't have to water them. So go out there, paint you some bird cages, get you some fake penny plants, and get them out there. Thanks, Dollar General. And to help with our raccoon problem, another penny item that I have held on to and used every year would be our Rodent Sheriff. Okay, so this is basically peppermint spray, and this is really good for ants, spiders, bugs, raccoons, mice, you name it. So now I'm not going to spray this on my plants, but I'm going to spray it around like the barrier of my landscaping. I also spray this around all of my outside windows and even around the inside window seals because, again, we are in the country, so we have so many things trying to get inside for the cold or the heat. So this stuff, I swear I probably go through 2 bottles of it every summer, and I still have more. So this is your as seen on TV section, and I do think this is a tremendous penny to have. Next up would be our winter salt, right? So I wasn't lucky enough to get any of it this year, but I got so much of it last year. Now, we just mowed over the weekend, and so this has some random stuff in it. It needs raked out. Our walnuts and anyways, we have horseshoe pits. They were here when we moved here. But I get so tired of trying to keep this cleaned up. And yeah, do you guys know the salt? It's weed killer. So we literally put salt in here probably, I don't know, 3 months ago, and still stuff is barely growing back up. Like, I am so sold on using salt to kill weeds. So another use for our planter boxes, that's right. So I even hung these inside because our cats love to lay in the windows. So, and we even have a brown dot blanket in here. So yes, these are 2 pennies. These are pet friendly, and they're for the kitty cats to be able to lay by the windows. So again, think outside of the box. There's so many uses for our pennies.